How to change the refresh rate on your AOC monitor, or basically increase the refresh rate in Hertz. So first you want to open up the start menu, right click on the start menu and open up the settings, or click the settings icon here. Then you want to go to system, and then you go to the display tab, and then you want to scroll all the way down and click on advanced settings, or the advanced display settings. Now you can use the drop down at the top right here to select the screen that you want to switch the refresh rate on. So for example, the first screen right here, and at the bottom you should see the refresh rate and the drop down to select a different refresh rate, and then you just select the refresh rate that you want to keep on your screen, and then switch to the other screen that you want to switch the refresh rate on. Basically do the same process and go to the last one and basically change the refresh rate on it as well. And once you're done, you can simply close out this window, and then your refresh rate should be switched right now. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.